There we go. Perfect. You already know. What's going on, guys? We're over here at Workbench Con 2024, and I got my boy Justin from Campfire Woodworks.
How's it going?
What's going on, man? Now, if you guys already saw his episode before, we kind of went over Justin's background, talked about how, you know, he takes 80 years to get from home to work. This man has a full-time job, a part-time full-time job, and also likes to camp out in the wilderness. So, what's it been like being here, man?
So much fun.
Yeah?
So this is like the biggest high school reunion that you've ever been to, right? All your friends on the internet, all the strangers that you talk to that you've never met, they're like, yo, let's fly down to Atlanta. Let's all meet up. We've never seen each other before. Let's hang out, drink, talk about woodworking and crafting and our garage shops. It's a lot of fun, man. It's a lot of fun. You feel like a kid down here.
You feel like a kid?
Yeah.
So what's it like being around just content creators? I mean, like, this is what you do. Like, this is a whole new space that this, like, basically popped up roughly 10, 15-ish years ago, but it's been growing more and more, and especially with the woodworking industry, it's even more newer than just the standard, content creation space. So what's it like being around a bunch of colleagues?
It's inspiring. Like, it's super, super inspiring. So it's great to be around people who like have shared goals, have been further down the journey than you are, and are also coming up, and they're where you started too. And like, it's really cool to see people that are doing all the things that like you've done, that you want to do. You get a lot of ideas talking to people here. Just the workshops, the seminars, and the conversations that happen in between. It's really fun just to talk to people and get like all ideas and inspiration for all the things you're doing on content creation and like and even my shop.
So with, obviously the inspiration of everything, like, what it was like when you started out, right? And so there's been a couple newbies that have just like brand new, like probably a year or less under, and they decided to come out here. So for them who are watching this that might be like, I'm new, like I don't know what to do, what would you tell them?
Just keep grinding, like have fun with it and don't worry about what other people are doing. Like when I first started out, I was, it took me a while to realize like I can't be worried about the guys that have the 50,000, 100,000, million followers, right? I just gotta do what I like doing. And if you're like authentic about it, if you do good work, if you're fun, like the followers will come, the views will come, the business will come with it. You just gotta keep going and don't get discouraged about that stuff.
Okay, man. Like, and then if you had to build, somebody says, all right, Justin, I want you to build like the best top tier blank and we're paying you to do it. What are you building?
Ooh, probably a toe behind camper, like a little teardrop. That would be like my dream.
All right, so for
my dream build.
So for the people who are like me and not woodworkers, tell me what that is.
So it's just like a little trailer.
Okay.
You can tow behind your car. That's a camper. It's in the shape of a teardrop, and you can sleep in it. It has a little door and some windows. Do
you have any idea how you would build it?
No clue. No clue. I've seen plenty of other people on YouTube doing it. I've seen other builds, but like, I think that would be a really fun build.
Yeah.
That would push the limit of all the things I know how to do. And I'd probably learn a bunch along the way, so that'd be a fun thing to do.
That's awesome, man. All right, man, just tell the people where they can find you.
Campfire Woodworks, everywhere, YouTube, Instagram, my website, campfirewoodworks.com, all that stuff.
And you got any new projects coming up that you can tell the people about?
Nothing big, but I'm starting to work on my YouTube this year, so just keep your eye open for some longer form content. I've been doing Instagram and grinding on Instagram, and I think it's time I make the move, turn the phone the other way around, and do some more horizontal content. Like that's the move I'm making this year.
All right, man. Well, thank you so much for sitting down and talking with us, and we'll be sure to see all your content.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
All right, man. Have a good one.
You too.